Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. In the today's video, we will be seeing how AI was invented. So I have started a new series that is interesting fact about AI, machine learning and big data. So this is the first video in that. So make sure you subscribe to my channel for more such videos. So as we all know, in a daily life, we are using the terms such as artificial intelligence or robot or machine learning or different things, but we don't know how they came into the picture. So in this video we will see how AI was invented and who was the main idea behind AI. So how AI was invented we will see in brief in this video. So as we know, artificial intelligence is same as thinking, same as the human brain works. Like as the human brain thinks about each and every machine or each and everything, so training the models in such a way that it should think as a human brain. So how you can train it? So the idea of the AI invention was the main person behind the idea was Alan Turing. He was a polymath, he was a mathematician, basically British mathematician, and he explored the possibility of AI. He was researching something, and he find out that if the machines could behave like a human being, or if they could train to behave like a human being, what is the concept behind that, and what are the things that should be given to a machine as an input to train. But the further research was not carried out by him. So after that, a discovery was made by another person named as Norbert Wiener. So he developed the first model of AI, and he theorized that the all intelligent behavior same as human being can be done by the machine in the form of feedback mechanism. So he developed the first AI model which was known as a feedback mechanism, and the person was Norbert. So the idea was mainly by Alan Turing and it was modified by Norbert Wiener. So, if we see that nowadays we are seeing many robots who behave like a human being, so they are trained to work as a human being. So, what is the idea behind that and how the machines are being trained to work as a human being? We will see in the further slide. So the person behind the main was the Alan. After that, after the feedback mechanism, a further step was developed in the AI, that was the logic theories. Based on the different logic, a machine was built, and it was built by Neville and Simon in 1955, and it was considered as the first artificial intelligence program. So it was based on the algorithm such as logic based on the mathematical concept. So it was a basic program which was considered as the first AI program, and it was developed in 1955. And finally, the artificial intelligence term came into picture by a conference which was organized by John McCarthy, and he is recognized as the father of AI. In 1956, he arranged a one conference named as the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence. So he expertise of others interested in machine learning or machine intelligence for a month of brainstorming. So he evaluated a model based on the AI and machine intelligence where he trained a machine to work as a human brain. So John was considered as the father of AI, and the AI term is basically recognized by his name only, but the main person was Alan Turing. So there are different areas where AI is being used, such as in the mobile phones we use different automated systems, or in the form of robots, or in the form of different programs we are using AI. And nowadays machine learning is a part of AI which is blooming currently. So if you see the example here, as the person is using the mobile phone where we can automatically detect different mechanism. So this is a small demo where AI comes into picture. So I hope you are aware with the idea and who was the father of AI and how AI was invented. So thank you for watching the videos. For more interesting fact related to machine learning and big data and artificial intelligence, stay tuned to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe it and also follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching the video.